Okay, guys. Yeah. So, welcome to the Grand Founders channel. This is the first video that's gonna be online. I really don't have a name or title for the the show that or the shows that I'm going to be doing on this channel yet, but it's gonna be more about building apps, you know, especially for newbies and the not so tech savvy that want to um, build their own apps. As somebody trying to build my own app myself, I've been scrolling through Reddit, and I found some few gems that I wanna share. There are some few cool apps being built by you know random developers, and some of them are quite cool. So I want to showcase the ones that kind of like helping me with my workflow. The first app I want to talk about is Showcase. Showcase. Yeah, showcaseapp.co. I used to use an app called PureRef. PureRef is very popular in the VFX world. And what I like about this app is you it operates a little bit like PureRef, but it's like this one is really replacing the way I save bookmarks. Like if you can see here, I have some little small pictures that I've saved that I'm trying to create this interface, this GUI, this UI, and now these are kind of like the inspiration references, and yeah, you could just put them up here neatly, and then you can just scroll through them. And for me, it's better than saving a whole lot of bookmarks that you have to sort through. I like this much better. And I also tried putting a very large picture onto the canvas to see how it will behave. And yeah, I think this app is still a work in progress, and I think the developer is gonna make it much better further down the line. Yeah, so in the meantime, I'm just trying it out, and I think it's kind of cool for my use case for saving references, bookmarks, and stuff like that. And when you click it, yeah, you can view it. Obviously, I'm using it here in a different type of browser, so it behaves differently. It has a way of saving folders. You create your folders and you can go through it. So as you can see here, I've saved up some YouTube links, and you can scroll through your links and do whatever it is that you have to do with them. The cool thing I like about this is if I have a YouTube link here, if I click it, it doesn't have to jump into another tab, or it can just play right here, and then I could just move on. Yeah, so you can see looking at this TV set, and yeah, I saved it up here, and I can easily come back and watch the video and move on. Yeah, so the next app I want to talk about is upgrade.com. Yeah, so for me, this is just a little fun app. I like the idea, and to be honest, I'm only using this app for the little radio application on there. You see, the way this app is designed is that you have your applications menu, and then you can paste tiny little snippets of apps onto the canvas. And the one that I'm using quite often is the the radio app, because there's some channels on there that are playing music that I've never heard before, because like different regions or whatever. So yeah, this is a fun app. I like it. Basically, I'm using it mostly for the radio, but it can be quite useful because it has notes and other stuff here that maybe I'll try and use some of them as well. Yeah, upgrade.com. Yes, yeah. So yeah, let's move on to the last app. Okay, so the last app I want to talk about is Dayzen.xyz. So yeah, this app, when I was testing it, it was still in beta, and I think now it's ready and it's out on the App Store now. Basically, I don't use an Apple phone, so maybe when the Android version is ready, I might get that one. But because it's for me, I'll be using it. I had planned to use it mostly on the desktop. I'm hoping the developer will keep the desktop version alive, because that's where mostly I will be using it, because I really want to get better at time management coming next year. I really suck at that. And yeah, this app looks, I've tested it for a bit, but I still don't know how to use it. Maybe the developer will make a little tutorial on how to use it properly. But yeah, from what I can see, it will be a very useful app. So yeah, I'll be testing it more and see how useful it is for me, which I know it will be. Yeah, then yeah, I'll do an update video on it. Yeah, so these are the 3 apps that I've found that I feel are kind of like useful for me in my workflow or use case, whatever. And yeah, so I'm showcasing them today on the first ever episode of I don't know what I'm gonna call this show, but yeah. So the gems I found on Reddit: showcaseup.co, upgrade.com, and Dayzen.xyz. I think I'll put some links below this video so you can check them out. Maybe these apps might come in handy for you as well. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll be doing more of this type of content on the Grand Founders channel. Alright then, see you guys. Bye.